Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Surf in CS2 in 2025. If you're new to a game or want to try a fun and skill-based way to move around, surfing is a very awesome technique to master. Surfing in CS2 is all about using the game's physics to slide smoothly along angled surface, letting you move faster and pull off some cool tricks. To get started, you will want to find surf maps, which you can find easily download from the Steam Workshop or community servers. Once you're on your surf map, the key is to use your mouse and keyboard carefully. Instead of pressing forward, you will hold the movement key towards the slope, usually A or D, while strafing and moving your mouse in the direction of the ramp. It takes a bit of practice to get the timing right, but once you get the hang of it, you can change the ramps and make it some impressive runs. Remember, don't press the forward key while surfing. It actually slows you down. Instead, focus on smooth mouse movement in surfing, maintain your speed and balance. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to learn how to surf in CS2, please like the video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more CS2 tips and gaming guides. See you in the next time.